Hey guys, I'm Levi Gates. This is Anthony Fisher. We are the Rag Company doing some lists. Number one, you gotta actually have a social media page.
Yeah.
Get Instagram.
Facebook, LinkedIn.
Yeah.
All of them. Participate in all of the social medias.
All of them, except for maybe Twitter.
Yeah, Twitter's kind of weird. You don't need that. But YouTube's great. If you're good at
YouTube.
teaching something, if you're good at doing what we're doing right now, do it.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Number two, have a separate page for your business, not your personal page. Your mom wants to see pictures of your kids and your dog. Your customers do not.
No, they don't. They also don't want to see your home remodeling projects, maybe what concrete you cleaned, maybe what your yard looks like.
Yeah.
They don't want to see that. What they'd like to see is pictures of your work on your actual business page.
Number three, don't where you eat. You might be red, you might be blue, but money is green. Keep politics, keep controversial things out of your public feed because that could push away some business.
Yeah, you don't want to do that because if you've got your own opinions, put them on your private page or your personal page. That's where that belongs.
A separate account,
Not on your business page.
Yeah, you want everybody's money. If you're in business and you are somebody trying to make money, you don't care what their political affiliations are. I don't think so anyways. Make money first. Worry about who they voted for second.
Exactly.
Yep.
Number four, make sure you post often. At least take a picture every day.
Yep.
Maybe you don't post it till the end of the week, or maybe you post a bunch at the end of the week. But at least take pictures every day and post at least once a day. Whether it's a sunset shot or sunrise shot in the morning of you going to work, hope everybody has a great day. Or maybe it's, hey, here's what we did at work today.
Yeah, unless
Simple.
you have somebody else documenting your work for you, you're that person.
Yeah.
You need to load up that library of content so you can post that, whether it's that day, that week, or that year. It doesn't matter. That content will always be relevant to you because it's what you did. It's your work.
And if you can't post every single day, don't info dump and take all your pictures from one job and post them at once. Spread them out over a couple of days.
Yes.
Sometimes that's the best way. That way you don't have to worry about posting every day or finding pictures every day. You already have pictures. You can simply send them to your profile.
There you go.
Number five, on the subject of pictures, while you're posting, take a little bit of caution, use some thought, and compose a good picture. If you're gonna do a video, don't do a shaky one where 5 minutes of it is the ground, 3 minutes of it's the car. You need content every day, but it doesn't need to be crappy content. You need really good content, not professional content, just stuff that people actually want to look at.
Like, make sure the sun is at your back when you're taking a picture of a car, and that you're not taking a picture of the sun in a car.
Yeah.
Like, that's a big one, guys. Like, very simple. Always keep the sun behind you when you take a photo.
Or your shadow over a car. And now you see, what is that on the car? Oh, it's just my shadow.
It's just a
nobody
shadow of
wants
me.
to see that, guys. And so, really quality content. Take 5 minutes out of your day to spend time either getting better at taking pictures or dedicating that time to taking pictures. 5 minutes is nothing, and you'd be surprised how far that goes when it comes to running a business. All right, guys, so that might be the 5 mistakes that you just might be making on social media. If not, good on you. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos and more detailing content right here at The Rag Company.
1, 2